Hey there, I'm Christine Horn, life and career coach for actors and the creator of Hollywood Bound Actors Live. It's coming to Atlanta, Georgia on August 25th, 2018. And a question that's been coming up is, what does it mean to be a Hollywood Bound actor? Like, does it mean I have to move to Hollywood or I gotta live in Hollywood? So I wanna clear all that up for you right now. I created a great online community in Facebook called Hollywood Bound Actors. We are a global collective of actors who are on a mission to elevate our lives and our careers. And what I've learned in being in this industry over 20 plus years and actually coming from the Southeast, started in theaters, Broadway, right? And coming from the Southeast, working in doing small parts in film and TV, but then shifting back to Los Angeles, I learned that there was a common thread of actors who work a lot, actors who work consistently, and actors who seem to just be very in tune to what they offer to the industry. And I've, for myself, mastered it in my own way, and that's what I share with my community. So when I'm talking about being Hollywood bound, it means being prepared and understanding what the industry is calling for, understanding what the industry standards are. So for the next 4 videos, I'm going to really break down my 4-part methodology that I'm going to be teaching at the Hollywood Bound Actors Live event in Atlanta. It's 6 hours, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. with me. It's going to be very interactive, highly immersive, and game-changing. Seriously. So stay tuned for this series of videos, and I'm going to break down what it means to meet your mama. Just stay tuned. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.